This video is split up into different parts, all relating to the data entry page. This page is where the user can enter and/or edit data into the app via the tables. Tables and columns that are shown are selected from the workflow, which was chosen when the assessment was created. When clicking on the pin, it will show the name of the assessment. The location of the pin can be changed by clicking anywhere on the map and confirming the location with a pop-up. Like on the assessments page, you can move around the map, recenter the location, change the map from default to satellite, and also minimize the map. By clicking on the Edit button, it will take the user to the feature table, which is the same as the desktop feature table. The feature table changes based on the workflow. There are simple record tables. These are tables that do not have other tables associated with them. When clicking on the Add button, it will take the user straight to the table. From here, the user can add the record, press Save, and this will take the user back to the data entry page. The record that the user has just created will be highlighted orange. There are some tables that can only be accessed via a parent table. These are called child tables. To access the child tables, create a parent record as you would for a normal table. As the user enters the data into the child table, it will be added to the list below, as well as the main page. To navigate between child tables associated with the parent table, use the drop-down menu at the top of the page. By clicking or tapping on the drop-down arrow, you will reveal a list of available child tables linked to the parent table. From there, you can select the desired child table by tapping on its name within the drop-down menu. To edit a child record, click on the record on the main data entry page and then make the changes. If the user needs to continue adding data to a child table later, they need to click on the parent record and continue adding data. To edit the parent record, click on the parent record and then make the required changes to the parent record. This will update all existing child records. In some tables, there is continuous data entry. The base value will automatically correct to the top value if it is lower than the top. When you enter a new record, the base in the previous record will be updated with the top value of the record you just entered. Autofill is set in the parent table as an increment, which is set to 0.1. As the data is entered, the depth will automatically increase by the increment. The user can take a photo using the device's camera. Once the photo is taken, confirm the photo. The photo is stored in the briefcase next to the camera as a JPEG file with all the other files in the assessment. To delete, swipe to the left to show the delete button, then click on the new button. To edit a photo, click on the image that you want to change. A pop-up will appear with the photo's details. Click the edit icon below the image to make changes. After saving, you can add more details like a description and date before finalizing. Using the navigator, the back arrow will take the user back to the data entry page with the table selected at the top of the page. The plus sign will take the user into the table to be edited, similar to pressing the plus sign on the main page. To delete a record, swipe to the left to show the delete button, then confirm.